Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello, my name is Manggalar Kongroho. I'm from 9A, and in this occasion, I'm standing here to present to all of my friends about my best project on IT from 7, 8, and 9 grade. Okay, so first we will introduce to what will I explain about. The first, I will explain about my best Scratch project, that is Sketching Fruit. And then the second project that I will share, that is Wheelbox Crossing Road. The third is Figma UI UX, and the fourth, Blink Smart Home. The fifth is Codular, the calculator app, and the last and the sixth is the Bitaqwa app that I make with Flutter. Okay, so first we will go to the 7th grade base project. So the first one is my Catching Fruit project. This is actually my first project in 7th grade that I make with Scratch. So Scratch is basically a simple code maker that basically make games or animation using blocks of codes that you put it together like puzzles. And the Scratch game that I make in here is Catching Fruit. So as you can see here, I actually replaced some of the content from the original Catching Fruit. As the name said, it was Catching Fruit, but in my game, I call it Catching Gem because the game in here was about catching the gem that was falling from the sky. As you can see here, there is some things that was falling from the sky. The first, there is a bit in here. It was covered in the meteor, but actually there is the blue diamond or the blue gem that will give you one score. And then there is also the purple gem that will come out from the cloud that will go from left to right, and then to right again, to left again, and it will give round 2 or 3 score. And then there is this bomb that if your character, which is the ball to catch the things, if you touch the bomb, your game will go to defeat state. And when there is a meteor, when the meteor hits the ground, it will explode. And if you hit the meteor or the explosion, you will get a defeat. As you can see, there is also four things or 4 variables that you can look in under here. It was covered, but basically the first one is your high score when you're playing. The next is your score, your current score on this round. The third is the timer, which will basically, if you survive until the timer goes to 0, then you will get a victory. And there is a condition which tell you if you win or if you lose. The next is about my still about in the 7th grade, which is my Wheelbox Crossing Road. So this crossing road is basically there is a cube in here that will need to cross the road and also cross the lake in here all the way to the victory. So this was actually inspired by a popular and viral game that is Crossy Road, that was already in Play Store, that have that many people that already play it. Basically, there will be obstacles like cars, and then there is lakes, and also if you don't move in a long time, there will be you will get defeat, and if you go to the end of this journey or the road, you will get victory. Okay, and we will move to the A grade project. The first one is my UI UX project in Figma. I really love this project because it was one of my coolest project that I think that I have ever make in A grade, because as you can see here, I have already make many different screens like home, time, Qibla, and account, and which every button in there can also be clicked, and there will be also a different screen that will you will go to when you click the buttons. As you can see here, for example, if you go to the calendar, it will go to the calendar screen. If you go to start reading, you will go to the Quran screen. There is also the sub screen, or like the different pages, like here, like there is from Ustadz Khalid Basalamah, and then there is free online Quran learning, and then many other things. I have made this with my prototype, and I have designed this. Some of these I have researched a little bit to make it better. The second best A grade project is sorry if the image didn't load. Wait. Which is the smart home project that I make with Blink. And why did I use this as one of my best project in A grade? Because as you can see, this will be really helpful if this actual name was watering plants. I think I forgot. So as you can see here, this device will be helpful, because as you can see here, this used to detect the temperature and humidity of the soil that the device will detect. As you can see here, there is 2 LED and 3 LED. The first one is for humidity. Humidity. This when the humidity was low, and then when it was high, and then there is the temperature in here, which tell you if the temperature was cold, medium, or if it was hot. And I have made this with Arduino. And then let's move to the 9th grade base project. The first one is a calculator application that I make with Codular. So basically, in here there will be a variety of options that you will choose that to calculate the things that you need. For example, there is the screen when you calculate simple mathematics like plus, minus, and divide, and other else. There is also the screen where you can calculate 2D shapes, for example, a rectangle, circle, trapezium, and many other things. And this is also my last Codular project in 9th grade, and it was actually pretty hard to make because it have a lot of screen, and also there will be a bit of calculating in here. And then next is the Bitaqwa app. So after I make the Codula project, there is also the Bitaqwa app. There is also many screens in here. For the first screen, that is the dashboard screen, where you can see all of the screen that you can choose. And from the dashboard screen, you will go to other screen. Also in the dashboard screen, there will be your current time, and then there is also a bit of poster. And then after the dashboard screen, there is the doa screen, which you can see all of the types of doa, like for example the doa for when you go out of the house, or when you go eating, when you go to bathroom, and many others. There is also the zakat screen, which you can calculate how many zakat that you will need to pay for your current money. There is also other things like salat schedule, which will automatically set your current place and set your and find the current salat schedule in your place. Emir. Done.